In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Canva images high resolution. If you've ever exported a design and it looked a little soft or pixelated, this walkthrough will show you how to get a crisp, clean result using Canva's built-in export controls. Start by opening the project you want to export in Canva. Once your design is ready, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This is where Canva keeps all of the export options you'll need. From the menu that opens, choose the file type you want: JPG, PNG, or SVG. Here's a quick guide to help you decide. JPG is great for photos and social media graphics where file size matters. PNG preserves sharp edges and supports transparency, making it ideal for logos, icons, and text-heavy images. SVG is a vector format that scales without losing quality, best for simple graphics and illustrations built with vector elements. If your design includes photos, keep in mind that those parts won't become vector, even if you choose SVG. After selecting the format, you'll see a size slider. This is the key to increasing your resolution. As you move the slider to the right, you'll notice the pixel dimensions update in real time. Higher pixel dimensions mean more detail and a sharper image, especially on larger displays or when printing. Slide it all the way to the right to maximize resolution for that format. You'll also see an estimated file size. Higher resolution will increase that number, so expect larger downloads and slightly longer export times. A quick tip on expectations: increasing the export size adds more pixels, which improves clarity, but it can't invent detail that wasn't there originally. Designs with high-quality images, clean vector shapes, and readable text will benefit the most from this setting. Once the slider is at its maximum and you're happy with the preview information, go ahead and click Download. Canva will process the file, and when it's done, you'll have a high-resolution version ready to use. If your internet connection is slower or the file is large, give it a moment to complete. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click Share, choose JPG, PNG, or SVG, drag the size slider all the way to the right to boost resolution, and download. With these export settings, your Canva images will look sharp, professional, and ready for wherever you need them.